Load your family into the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.